Get ready for a great 2023 with a digital planner. If you haven't jumped into digital planning, then you are missing out. One of our Blessing by Design Inspire Me digital planners is the perfect way to break into digital planning. This is our original Inspire Me digital planner. And this is our Inspire Me 2 digital planner. With the tap of a button at this year calendar cloud, I can see whole year at a glance, and I have access to my monthly grids, or I can tap on any date and go to that week at a glance. It's got templates, 29 templates, like this one for planning travel, that I could store in the category section Go. Or in my Celebrate section, I might use a template for planning a party. You can track all the things in your life and store it in this one place. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to walk through our very popular Inspire Me 2 digital planner for 2023. In this video, I'm using the planner on a Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet with a Samsung S Pen. I'm using the free Xodo app from the Google Play Store, which you need for using our digital planner on an Android device. You don't need the upgraded Pro version. The free version works great with our planners. Our digital planner is a PDF that can be downloaded instantly after purchase. Be sure to check out our syncing videos so that you learn how to store your planner file in a location that can be accessed by all of your devices. The best thing about a digital planner is being more efficient with your planning and your organizing. I can copy and paste tasks multiple times. If plans change, I can easily move it to a new location. Or I can also erase plans that I've made that I might no longer need. It's easy when I'm on a month grid to use these little calendars as they are linked to the next month grid, so I can jump from month to month, just like I'm flipping through a big calendar. Or I can jump back to the previous month, just like this. You'll first notice the rich jewel tone colors of our popular Inspire Me 2 digital planner. If I tap on the year calendar cloud, it takes me to the year calendar, and here I can actually see 14 months of planning because we have included November 2022 and December 2022 in this planner. The icons next to each month name will take you to what we call the Inspire Me planning page. This is where I can jot down my goals for the month. We all have lots of thoughts swimming in our head. So we've got a brain dump section that maybe you just want to throw out some ideas, don't want to think about right now. And then we also have a section over here that coincides with the category sections of our planner, where I can also jot down some thoughts or plans that I want to do based on certain categories. If I tap on any month name on the year calendar, I jump to that month's grid. And I have the small grids where I can jump forward or backward on the month grids. On the month grid, I like to put special date. In the year calendar, I can also jump to any week at a glance. And where there's room in a month, like in July, I've got some space where I can put down ideas about things I'm thankful for, or stuff that's going well, or things that I'm looking forward to. And in months when I have room in the last week, we can recall special moments from that month, things we achieved or things we learned, and we can keep track of those things to help keep us inspired and motivated. Something special about our digital planners is that we create templates that come with the planner. This one has 29 pre-designed templates, which are linked through these buttons, such as the habit tracker, or we have a today page. For those of you who really like to plan out your day hour by hour, this is a page you can duplicate as many times as you need for every week of the year and keep your schedules close at hand with you all the time. We also have templates for crafts. There's a template for journaling, and I'll quickly show you the budget template too. Go to blessingbydesign.com, and on the product itself there are images that show you all of these templates. We also offer dot, line, grid, and checkbox pages for customizing your planner, as well as these 6 blank pages where you can use the tools that come in the Xodo app for creating your own template if you need to design one that you can use again and again. On the store, we also have free test files. So if you're not sure if this is going to work on your device, you can download a PDF that has a partial file of this planner, and you can test out some of the links and how it works. On every page of this planner, we have the large month icons, which will take you to that month's landing page. We have navigational hints that tell you that if I swipe, what page is coming next. We have our Inspire Me that comes after the landing page. Then the month grid comes, and after the month grid, we have our weeks at a glance. On every week at a glance page at the top, we have quick links back to that month's overview grid. And of course, within a month grid, you can tap on any date and go to that week. Also, go back to that month's Inspire Me page from the week at a glance as well. These smaller icons here on the right are category sections for storing pages and templates that you create, such as we have a cook section. Treat these like you would in a paper planner as dividers. And then we have a buy section where you could store all those budget templates for all 12 months of the year and easily find them. We also have 2 bonus cloud category sections that you can label and store hobbies or work-related items here. In the bottom left corner of every page is this question mark cloud. Maybe where you'd like to start when your planner is new. This help section is great because it starts with a linked index that shows you how this planner is organized with month first, and then our category sections, and then our templates and bonus pages. It has links so that you can kind of play around and see how everything is laid out in your planner. After the index, if you swipe, there are frequently asked question answers, and then we also have instructions for GoodNotes, or for you, the Xodo app. This is a great place to look how you manage all those templates and duplicating pages, and how you can bookmark them, outline them, so that you can keep things organized. You can always email us at any time, and we also have a link right here that if you tap on it will go to our YouTube channel. For some fun with your digital planning, you can use our Inspire Me digital stickers that we have on the store. Stickers are just a fun way to enhance the look of your planner. They're very easy to use, and on the store we have an instruction sheet that you can download that gives you step-by-step instructions of how to use them to make your planner look a little more fun. Hang in there, we're about done here, but if you've made it this far, you can surely now like this video. What I'm going to do is just do a montage of tapping through our month landing pages so that you can see the graphics and the verses come with this Inspire Me 2 digital planner. This planner is simple to use. It's so much better than a paper planner. You can sync it with your phone and carry it with you. You can easily edit any plans that change, and we all know plans change. It's just a fun way to stay inspired throughout the year. Please comment and let us know by email or a comment what you think, or if you have any questions about digital planning. Subscribe to our channel, and we thank you for watching. Be blessed and have a great day.